Hello, I'm sorry about the noise going on in the background. My TV's going and my fan's going. It's like 80 degrees in here. Usually doesn't get that warm during this time of April where I'm from. That should have started by May, but anyway, that's not what matters. So here I have this is my friend's VCR. He wants me to repair. He it's the same friend who asked me to repair his VCR DVD combo a while back. He actually gave me 3 VCRs. 2 of them are combos, and this is the only VHS only unit. On this one, I don't know what's wrong with it. It says like doesn't play or skip or anything, but I think I know what's going on with this one. I mean, I know this mechanism pretty well. It's Toshiba, and commonly on these VCRs, the belt always gets worn out on this one. So let's see what happens. Let's put a tape I don't really care about and see what happens. Oh. Oh. And I thought so. And great. Now I gotta clean this up. See if I can get this out. Oh, come on. Come on, you can eject. You can take the tape. You can come out. Maybe a, oh! Look what it did! Wow, this also needs a good cleaning. Look at this. Oh my god. Okay, it does need a belt and a cleaning. And hopefully it should be up and running after then. So, yeah.